Hello and welcome to this short overview of our VsCode extension, which is to help you build OpenFn workflows right in your VsCode editor. I'm Farhan from Accra, Ghana, working on the OpenFn engineering team, which is responsible for building all these technical toolings. Now, to have the extension installed in VsCode, you first need to visit the Visual Studio Marketplace and then install it right from there. Once you have it installed in your VS Code, you are going to notice a new OpenFN button in your activity view. Upon clicking it, it's going to smartly list all the workflows you have in your current OpenFN project. And upon expanding each of these workflows, it's going to list the steps that have been defined in that specific workflow. And to view the source of a step, you can just click on it right from this view. Now, this is a simple step that makes use of the OpenFN HTTP adapter. And you can see right in the status bar, it says we are using the version 7 of the HTTP adapter. And to execute this adapter, we could go back to the view on our left and click on the execute button next to the step. Or if we want to execute the entire workflow instead, we could click the execute button next to the workflow. So let's do that instead. Upon clicking execute, it's going to ask you for an input source, whether you want to execute it with no input or you want to select an input file, which is mostly a JSON file from your machine. Let's execute this without an input, and it's going to open the terminal in your VS Code editor and run the workflow for you. And we can see over here, it says state has been written to this file. We can then just control click and have this output on our screen. So that's it for this short overview and hope you enjoyed it.